Precision Company Limited is professional in the transmission fields for more than 15 years. With rich experience in manufacturing high-precision gear and gearbox design, and ball screw, lead screw linear guideway. Its business expand WanFu integrated to set up associated factories in Jiangxi, Shenzhen, Dongguan. The gear key manufacturing process covered from machining, hopping, sharpening, gear grading, gear precision grade. It has reached ISO Class 6, JIS Class 1, AGMA Class 14, and DIN Class 4. WanFu design team based on customization requirements of gear, worm, and gearbox. The team with more than 500 projects design experiences, over than 10 years experiences from gear material selection, dimension design, strongness, life cycle simulation testing in computer, from sample certification to mass productions. Rolling process also being used for lead screw and worm manufacturing with higher productivity by manual material delivery. For higher volume rolling bore screw request, the factory set up automation screw shaft rolling production line with automatically hardened process and online automatic inspections process. The capacity got to 5,000 to 10,000 meters per day, with manual calibrations and automatically calibrations process for the ball screw sets. The capacity reached to 2,000 pieces per day. Capacity of rolled bore screw size from 8 mm to 10 mm. To development miniature ball screw market, the factory also built the grading production line for miniature bore screw with higher precision C5, C3 grade. Ball screw size from 4 mm to 20 mm. Nut grinding capacity usually being one short board. For the ball screw manufacturer, in order to improvement productivity, factory gather high-level automation aspects to set up automation nut grading production line to ensure the highly quality and productivity to support the high volumes requests in fields of automotive, industrial, medicals, solar energy, robots, and power tools. The nut grading capacity will go to 1,500 pieces per day. Nut size from 8 mm to 110 mm. The teams can respond customer design requirements with 30 minutes, like ball screw loading, life circles budget. Nut dimensions, length, number of circulators, give very fast response to customer design in ball screw and actuator. Highly effective to speed up customer design solutions. Each nut being assembly and key dimensions always being run CPK capacity analysis. Process being controlled by SPC tools. Each of nut inspected by gauges and conduct 100% visual inspection. All operators being trained and qualified. Each batch of grinding ball screws conduct sample testing for the precision grade based on highly quality requirements. WanFu built up 2 metrology rooms. One is for ball screw testing and measurement. There are hand ball screw travel length precision testing, thread profile measurement, run-out testing, basically dimension test equipment like 3D dimension, projector, HV, and HRC hardness measurement. Another is for gear inspection and testing center like higher precision test meters, precision grade 0.001 mm, gear profile precision testing center, gear mesh testing equipment, hardness tester, 100% optical inspector. Because of stronger design experiences for gearbox, win customer trust, WanFu also built gearbox smart assembly U lines. With their rich experiences design manufacturing in the past 15 years, WanFu almost produced more than 100,000 types of different components in linear transmission fields from gear, worm gear, gearbox, spindle, single nut, lead screw, ball screw nut, ball screws, actuators, material cover copper, aluminum, stainless steel, carbon steel, plastic, PIC materials. WanFu used to serve the domestic and international famous brands companies and 500 Fortune companies, mainly in aircraft, medical, automotive, construction, boats, and ships and industrial, power tools fields. With the products covering more than 60 countries and regions in Europe, UK, and American and Asia. WanFu followed higher quality system requirements for products, got the certification in TS 16949 2016 and ISO 900 2015. Use statistic process control tools to control and manage the product quality. Follow PPAP producer to ensure product from new sample to mass production successfully. Our mission is to be the good pattern manufacturer as the ODM and OEM supplier for famous brands customers in linear transmission fields. Always keeping win-win concepts to provide reliable transmission solutions for the worldwide customers. Warmly welcome visit us.